Okay guys, welcome to another episode of Get Reeled, and we've got another epic session today. We are gonna fish for the next 16 or so hours. We're launching here at Coronella again. Today we're targeting whiting again. I did go with my daughter on Friday, but it got a bit uncomfortable for her. Again, first time her being out at night on the boat, and it wasn't a pleasant night as well. So but all things aside, today Alex and I are giving it a go again. We're gonna go for the whiting, and then we're gonna switch up tactics in the morning and chase calamari in a different bay. So we're going to do the southern end of Port Phillip in the morning for some calamari, and hopefully we can put a few of those cephalopods in the boat tomorrow. Okay guys, another day heading out of Western Port here again. As you know, I love my Western Port fishing, but tonight we are doing Western Port tonight, and tomorrow we're doing the southern end of Port Phillip Bay. So it's another epic session as usual. So let's say if we can't tempt up some fish. The weather is phenomenal. It is absolutely bloody beautiful here. Out there, maybe a little bit different story, but I don't think so. It's actually looking pretty good tonight. One of the better nights, I think, that we've been out so far. We've been in atrocious weather. We still managed to put fish in the boat, but you know, so we're gonna give tonight a shot and see what happens. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, we are officially fishing. We've got a few baits in the water. Officially, the baits have been deployed. It's still slack tide, so we're just waiting for that water to straighten up the boat and hopefully bring the fish on the bite. Okay, something's grabbed the pilly, but it's not doing anything at the moment. Oh, little stingy. Oh, look at how little this bugger is. Jesus. Look at this guy.
This is taking baby shark to do to the next level.
Yeah. Never caught one this small in my... Yeah. Yeah.
It's just the rig.
He's never caught one of these this small in my... No, he's got the stinger. He got the stinger. There's the... Yeah, there's
there he is.
Yeah. I see you. This thing is so cute. Man, I want to put it in the fish tank. How cute is this thing, Mom?
A little piggy, bitty. There's shitloads of these in Malaputa, man.
Yeah.
This size. All in the shallow.
Look at
like
that.
In half a foot of water.
Yeah.
Heaps. Oh.
Look at him. Nice little stingy there. Boo, 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 boo. Off you go. Thanks for your presents. Off he goes. Okay, what's this? Baby shark doo 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 doo. He hasn't come to the surface yet though.
He's almost there.
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Get out from under the motor there. He wrapped himself up.
Lift him up.
He has fucking suicided himself. Okay. Okay, fella. You are causing more grief for yourself than good at the moment. So I shall release you.
Oh, it's getting bigger.
I shall free you from your...
Slowly, slowly getting bigger.
Okay, calm yourself down. Alright, I shall free him from his... And the baby shark. Alright. Off you go. Now, what was that on?
Oh, there, both of them.
Pilly. I think that was Pilly. Alright. Okay guys, just a bit of an update. We've moved spots. It was a bit of a... it was very slow actually. We had that one little stingray and that baby gummy, and pretty much nothing happened. We were losing baits to something, but we obviously not substantial enough to see the bite on the rods, so we made a move, and we're gonna try this spot for a little while and see how we go. Oh!
Oh man.
Oh!
Another baby.
Guys,
They're getting smaller.
they are getting smaller.
Tadpole day.
For fish, they gotta watch out for the spike here.
Catch tadpole day today.
Okay, calm yourself down. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He has just...
And he's got leeches already.
Yeah?
Huh?
They must love this fucking fish. The leeches. Yeah, fucking hold this guy. Hold him like that. He's a wiggly bugger. He's a really wiggly bugger.
Yeah.
That's all. Shouldn't be...
You got what?
Yeah.
Huh?
No, it's just pinned. He's a wiggly bugger. Hey guys, have a look at this little pretty little thing. Yeah? Port Jackson. Not quite the port, it's just Jackson at the moment. Go, my son. Got a bite?
And this one, something tacky.
Is that, what's that, squid?
He's got a squid and a pilly.
Oh yeah, he's on it. What's been like? Oh, from there? Yeah? So people are land-based there? Huh?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Walking around, Mom. They're waiting.
Are they waiting?
I think so.
Yeah. You know why they're there, Mom? It's going to be easterly. And the garfish, yeah. That's what that is about. Okay. Alex is on to something. Oh, let's see what baby... let's see what baby we got now. Baby pinky kiki 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 kiki. Let's get an eye full. Whiting! King George whiting! We got whiting! Nice! We got nice whiting. We came for whiting and we got whiting.
We got whiting.
Look at that! This is a nice whiting, guys. Let's have a look at it. Oh,
hey,
kidney slappers!
Hey.
We came for whiting.
We got
Kidney slappers.
We didn't want the...
We'll put him on ice that we don't have.
We didn't want the pity, dude.
Yeah, you took a pill here. Okay. The baby shark. Baby shark, you do? Huh?
Oh
shit, I feed him. Nah, just lift him in. Baby shark, do.
Burly.
We're not burling, and the baby shark, do. It's rocking up. This was on the pilly. I'm pretty sure. Mom, this is supposed to be you. What the hell
Your
is
turn now.
what the hell is going on? This is supposed to
You
be
catch
you
my
catching
baby.
this stuff.
Catch my baby.
Put him back. Not after that.
No.
Alex is on with something. Ting, 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 ting.
Stop thinking away.
Yeah?
It's there, but it's not.
It's not doing much. As usual, he lights a cigarette.
Yeah.
We'll get the roofing net, no? Don't burn your line. Oh, it's a fucking.
Man.
What is it? Port Jackson or skunk shark or some
kind of
critter?
Jesus, look at that one.
Come on,
I think we can lift him
you lift him up.
Yeah, but I'll lift him with the line. Come here. Spotted. The spotted.
I might have his brother.
What an ugly fucking thing.
Yeah, I think I got his brother.
Another pot. Yeah, you bought the same one, ma?
Same Port Jackson. Huh? Jackson. Interfering with our whiting dates.
More Ludovic. That's his sweet boy. Oh, that's a lady.
Yeah? No head shakes at all.
I'm gonna tighten the drag.
Yeah, tighten it, right? Fucking leaves the big rod and takes the fucking.
Your big rod.
Alex is hooked up to something
Substantial.
over there. Just
Probably a road.
taking all his line. It's done him, made short work of that.
Yeah,
But he got most of his line back, so that's a good thing. It didn't strip him of all his line. It is probably a ray, but at the moment we'll play it like we're playing a snapper.
Yeah, it seems like it's
Yeah, it's a ray. Yeah.
done. There goes my whiting snatcher. Let me know when you're close. Huh? You here?
No, not yet. Got a lot of head shakes.
Yeah. It took off with head shakes. Like crazy head shakes.
Don't want to put too much. Oh, it's a pinky, mums. Nice pinky.
Ooh, that's a good one. No wonder it took off like a motherfucker.
A very nice pinky, actually.
That's a good one. Nice. Tying it. You're trying to trace here.
It's a very nice pinky, guys. I was busy tying, but anyway.
both were tiny fish.
Okay, nice pinky marks. Huh?
Yeah, good one.
Okay. You get a few like that, will be alright.
Yeah. That is definitely
Worth the effort.
You reckon mine was a really big pinky? The one that didn't stop?
Could have been a snapper. It doesn't know its hook.
Nah, didn't know whether it was hooked.
Yeah.
Nah, I couldn't feel that. That was a way.
No head shakes on that one
That was
though.
a way.
That was a nice run.
Mm.
Whiting D.
That's why I didn't worry too much tightening up the drag because there was no head shakes.
So I'm just fishing little cubes.
Hmm?
Fishing little cubes that was like on a cube.
On a cube,
Yeah,
not a strip.
not a strip. But this cube is a bit bigger. I need a tail section.
Just put a small tail.
Just grab me a couple of pillies, demo.
Oh, you good thing.
Go, 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 go. Come on.
That's it? That big hit that cut the line, I reckon, was one of these ones. Fucking
Pinkies, yeah.
yeah, heavy things. Fucking.
Mini marlin swimming around the boat. So we'll just scoop them up. Nice one. Nice hit.
Nah, I don't know what.
Okay guys, what we're doing is we're just driving around scooping up garfish at the moment. So there's a few around. We've got a few, but there's a few bigger ones that seem to be evading us. But if we will persist, then we will get them. Just got to keep an eye out for them. We are what you call stalking. We're stalking.
There's a baby one there.
We are garfish stalking at the moment.
Oh, hit.
Got it? Nah,
Yeah, the boat hit it.
the boat hit it.
Yeah. I can't believe that thing swam back out again. Like turned around, man.
Yeah. It's amazing how quick they change direction. Like they look like they're stupid, like they're swimming into the net. And then next minute it's like,
Woofa.
now you see me, now you don't. John Cena. Yeah, you call him John Cena garfish.
He jumped right up.
It went like a bullet after that.
He scooted off on the top, almost
Yeah.
like flying.
Maybe. It's got a few head shakes.
And it's heavy.
Yeah. Yeah. No.
Gurnard.
Gurnard.
Yeah, right?
Got a fucking
Oh,
gurnard.
that's a good gurnard.
There's no such thing as a good gurnard. Ooh.
Well,
Okay.
You don't have your pliers.
No, I got it.
The
I
long
got
one.
this one. This one will do. Alrighty then, let's.
Good luck with that, man.
Shit. Okay. Don't want to get specked by one of these fucking things. Yeah, he's biting the net.
stab it. It's inside its mouth, dude.
Yeah, man.
Ho, ho, ho.
There's a reason I'm doing this, guys. This is a very tasty fish, one, but a very dangerous fish when it comes to getting spiked by it. It can be rather painful. So if you take out all the stuff, that is going to be more likely to hurt you. He's very tight-lipped, this guy.
Gone through the gills or where?
Crayfish.
For me.
Oh yeah.
Same size, 4 or whatever.
Fair, that one.
That's a
4.
Yeah. She be on, mate. She be on. She be on, mate.
Gurnard. Huh? Who would have thought?
There's heaps on the other side.
Yeah, but we're not in like deep water for Gurnard.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's a bit of a weird bycatch, that one. Talk about fucking surprise. Surprise! Hmm?
You see where the pinky like tail?
Yeah. Okay guys, that's the first half of our night done. It's now about 2 a.m. We're gonna drive to the southern end of Port Phillip Bay, launch over there and chase some calamari. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get onto the calamari. We did find King George whiting today, but not in numbers. And we got a few pinkies as well, Gurnard, and heaps of rubbish fish. Consolation, everybody struggled. So let's give it a shot and see if we can't put some cephalopods in the boat in the morning. So we're going to do the big drive now, head over there and see how we go. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we're here in the Pinnis Channel, southern end of Port Phillip Bay, and trying for some flathead. Replying to a message, my editor, my wife, obviously. I'd like to sit down, but my seat is occupied. We were driving to Mud Island, and we were going to drift there for some calamari, and we sounded out some arches on the way, and we said, give it about half an hour over here, see what happens. The Pinnis Channel.
Sounds like you're swearing, man.
Yeah, it sounds like we're swearing, but we're not. Did get one flatty, about 30 centimeters here. Hopefully we can get a few more. Some nice flatty tails would be nice today. Galaxy's on to a substantial bit of nothing. Huh? Could be Gurnard, could be Banjo, could be Port Jackson, could be Michael Jackson, who knows? Oh. Tell me about line. Yeah, he's on this line as well.
Let's fight it together. This is real.
This is a team effort.
Real teamer.
Yeah, he's out. He's out now.
Oh, I like the team.
Oh, got a bit of weight to him. He's not in a hurry.
Same banjo, man.
Same banjo.
Same guy.
It's the same banjo. He got the same
What's
banjo.
the chances of catching the same one? Yeah, the same one. Oh my God. Cannot believe it. Believe that. Look at it. It's the same one, dude.
Yeah.
Can you see the puncture from the previous hook? Look. At the last. See that?
Just in
Man.
thing, you know? Check this one out.
Man. I didn't even get a chance to check the volume on my yeah, why didn't you hear it? Surely like mine's loud enough to
That was a weed fish.
ringtone. Bad banjo.
Don't come back. I like the sound they make when you throw it in the water. I think we head over there.
That's it for this one.
Mums?
Yeah.
We head
I don't wanna
over.
catch that shit.
We're gonna head over to Mud Island
Yeah.
and find a nice sandy patch
No. We
and
sleep
fall off to sleep. That is a pretty serious rig, that one. I mean, he's got nothing on the yellow submarine, but you know, we'll give it the credit that it deserves. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna make a move. Okay. Mud Island, here we come. Oh, I've got to charge my Insta. Flatheading. Yeah, you can see the bottom, huh? Okay, nice. Hey, straight away, bang bang.
Double. Noise. Really?
No, squid.
This side? What size?
Yeah.
Yeah. All good.
This one will be size.
No.
Yeah. 30. That one will be small.
Steady keeper.
Mm-hmm. That's good. Got him? He took both baits, that one. Yeah, he took both baits. sturdy. Super.
This one looks small.
Yeah, that one's.
They'll go for the speed, huh?
Oh, yep. Come on.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's a better one. That is a better flatty. Oh yes, that is what we're after. These are what we're after. Nice flatties.
On squid again?
Yeah. I haven't changed my bait. I'm using the same squid over and over and over again. Renewable energy. When I talk about renewable energy, I'll tell you about renewable energy. Same squid over and over. That's 3 flatties now with the same bait. So you have to feed, guys. No secret, southern end of Port Phillip Bay, we just off Mud Island, and we're on to the play. Yes, here we go, and he's on. It's a little bit of a smaller model. This one, we'll put him back. Same piece of squid.
Back again.
Back again, watch this. Bang, 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 bang. Come on. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
We got Gurnard here too. Beautiful day out there, guys. Bloody beautiful day. Oh, rattle, 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 shake, shake. Whew. Bang, bang. Hitting, beating. Yes, come on. Come on. Whoa, whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's like, I want it, I don't want it. They're on. I'm on to you, I'm on to you. Yeah, come on. Hit it.
I don't know, a lot of those.
Could be dragging too.
Yeah, I reckon it's the bottom going over rock.
Could be.
Yeah, or something.
Maybe we change the angle of the dangle. You just drop it straight down.
Can't really tell. Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's a better angle, straight down like that. Check out if we got mums. I know we can get back. It's mindful of how much food we got.
I reckon go back to the start. No?
3/4 of the tank.
Oh, when you use quarter?
Yeah.
Huh? Can you go back to the
Yeah.
like way bit more further down?
Further down.
Yeah, yeah. Started with this.
I think.
why.
Man, I don't know where you come up with those ideas, man. But I'll tell you what, you never cease to amaze me with your. You must get that from your brother. Same piece of bait, guys. Put your hat on. Hey, where's my hat? Was on my head?
Yeah, put it here because it was there trying to fly off.
It flew off my head. I didn't even realize that.
It flew off your head?
Yeah.
Alright, lucky it stayed in the boat.
Yeah. Bring that monster from the deep.
From 20 meters away. 50 meters away.
I think you're gonna find it's a gurnard.
You got a fish, Mom?
No. Oh, nice flatty. Beautiful.
What's that?
What's that noise? On the pilly?
Yeah, at the bottom. They're not worried. They don't go to the top one for some reason.
Come on. Baby. It's a baby. Oh, look at this one. Yeah, good one. Okay, Sunny. Okay. Got you? Did it hurt? Did it hurt?
Not yet.
Did it bite the finger? You can't feel anything on?
No shit.
You're gonna have the shits? You're gonna hang your bum over the side? that's me. That's me, moms. Oh, what happened there? Bring the snow down there. Yeah. Right.
Substantial.
Something substantial.
Silvery.
Silvery?
Yeah.
Pinky?
Maybe. Possible.
You don't have the big head shakes though.
Yeah.
Oh no, he does.
I've got loose drag just so because it's
Yeah, but that's
fucking
okay.
15-pound line with a fucking tiny ass hook.
I think we might require the net.
Gurnut.
Huh? Gurnut.
Or I don't know, right? Gurnut? It's a gurnut.
It's a gurnut?
Yeah, but it's still a lot of kind of gurnut, dude.
It's those big mouth gurnut.
Yeah.
Huh?
Because normally when they come up they really don't do much. Jesus, it's a fucking horsey.
It's a horse of a gurnut. The poor man's crayfish. Oh, that's a
Ooh, that's a
decent
good
gurnut. I might as well let you deal with that.
Oh, no way! We don't even have the right gear for this one.
Yeah, don't worry. You go for it, man. I got faith in you.
What?
Use 2 pliers for the price of 1. Cut it all in thin. Use the scissors. Make use of the scissors, man.
Yeah. Okay.
Gurnut are very beautiful tasting fish. But just like women, it can hurt you very badly. Some women. I'm just saying.
Not all.
Not all women.
All right. Can you
Not my
please
wife. She's editing my videos.
open up the...
Yes, I can do that.
Thank you, sir. Oh, look at that. Dude, we didn't even get this big enough. Huh?
Yeah. Ooh.
Good hit? Oh man, look what happened here.
Bent the hook. Oh, it broke the hook. Shit.
Hey, that's no good, man. Shit.
Oh, what's this? Onto something here? Oh. Yep, he's still on it. Yep. There's another size flatty.
Oh, hello.
Self-release. Actually, he's a bit on the small side actually.
Heavy, yeah?
Yeah. It's a double.
That's why it's heavy.
Yeah. It's a double and 2 keepers.
Ooh, nice one. That's a good one. Oh.
Both good fish, yeah, both size. Beautiful.
Right on the end of the drift mount, it's better. Yeah. I got double as well.
Double?
Yeah.
Nice ones?
And there's a third one. Oh,
They're following up.
Yeah, that's following.
Just gotta measure this one, make sure he's okay.
Ooh.
30, that size as well.
Yeah, the top one's no good at it. The bottom one.
Better quality fish here.
Come on.
30. Oh, drop it down there to that one, and then drop it down.
Baby.
Got it?
Still good bottom. Still good bottom. 6 meters. We've gone past the old big line. We're going to new territory. Very rocky underneath.
This is the snaggy bottom one.
Yeah. Alright.
This is where we stopped.
Go to the middle of the shorter line, the middle of the shorter line, and oh, my bottom. Okay then.
Let's make a move. Get back to the beginning. I'll just show you, these are the flashes that I've tied. On little Reedy's mutu hooks. A little bit deeper now, 7 meters. Alright, let's see if we can get some fish from 7 meters. Okay, we hooked onto the first calamari of the day. Keep the catches here. Oh, it's on the tree.
Unfortunately, there's a stuck in the which is over there. That's a total, that's a fat thing, huh? That's a fat fucking. What is it?
Okay guys, that's a wrap. We're out of the water officially. We still got bait on the bait board, but that doesn't mean we're fishing. We are done for today. Well, and yesterday. So it's been how many hours? 17 hours on the water. Quite an epic session. We did end up with a little feed. So we'll catch you on the next one, guys.